Good evening, traders, to all traders with all the glory. It's here, it's now. This is the top, this is to the left, that's to the downside. We can see exactly what this low volume gets. We see more downside for the SPY coming. It's been a ferocious bull. When Donald Trump got elected, we rallied up here to a high and we bought the $600 puts right there. And we have come down. I have an alert. I have the bottom. That is going to be that support at 580. If we break it, we are going to go down and we'll have a pit stop right at around 570. Short-term trading with big profits. Once again, it's our job to bring it to you. Why? Because we know that what we do makes money. And not only does it make money, it sets us on both sides, on both ends, long and short, on a daily level. This one's coming down, lower lows. Once again, stay tuned, sign up, get into the live trading room, get into the buy now, pay later, get your stocks that you want to trade. We will help you. We have a list, and it is several hundred different stocks that you can get involved in while everyone else gets killed.